town.
Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Royce. I am your runner. Welcome back
guys,
to
just
another
wanna walk this
gameplay
side?
video.
All right, let's go.
In today's video, we're playing a game of Kill Confirmed that was played over the course of 2/3 of Kiowa Creek's total play
Yeah.
area.
Well, the LMG and the SMG, both of us could go full auto.
Every so often in Airsoft, a plan comes together, and when it
I'm
comes
thinking
together,
everybody's over there,
you
yeah.
have to take the wins with the losses.
All right, guys, let's. This is a horrible idea.
Just go all the way around and come back on their spawn.
Yeah, that's a great idea. They're gonna think we're them.
And right there, the plan was hatched to flank the entire field and come up behind the enemy.
See him?
Our hope was that we would get mistaken by enemies
Left side.
while they were in the ensuing firefight with the rest of our team. By doing this, it was our hope that we could come up from behind and take everybody out in a clean
Guys,
sweep.
watch our left. Right there. You see him?
The rest
He's
of our
wearing a band.
team was tied up in a massive firefight on the other side of the field, closer to where our spawn point was.
Is he wearing a band?
Right there, one of the guys that came around the field with us was downed. As sneaky as we thought we were being, I guess we weren't sneaky enough.
You did? Somebody said hit.
What side are you on?
I'm no bands. I'm with you, dude. I walked over here with you. Guys, let's push forward. Come on. Oh shit, good. Okay, sorry. You good? Yeah. All right.
One of the best tactics you can use on the airsoft
He's
field
out. Guys, come on, push forward
is
now.
watching for shadows. Shadows can be your worst enemy or the best teammate you could ask for. It can give away your enemy or it can give you away if you're not paying attention.
These guys bands or no bands?
As we were sweeping the enemy area, we had to be very careful about who was a friendly, who was a foe, and who was walking out of the
Firefight's
game.
way up front of us. Bill? Bill!
We're no bands, no bands.
But
Whoa. No.
I don't think they're friendlies.
They're friendlies?
I don't think they are.
Right here, we started realizing that the person firing at us with the
What?
LMG was in fact
Bands or
Project
no
Mayhem
bands?
Airsoft, or my buddy Bill,
Bill, Project
who was on our
Mayhem.
team, who was in the beginning of the
Okay.
video.
Are we clear to come up?
He stuck back at the base of the forest edge in order to clear out some enemies that were hiding behind the boat. This is why when you're playing a game like this, you need to be very conscious of where your team members are
No, where are they at?
and probably communicate a little better than we did.
You got all the way around. You're the only person I saw. Sorry, man. Wait.
Oh, you're cool. Come on.
I saw another person in this. Is that what about me? Yeah, there was another guy. No, he was doing like booking through this. He dropped in somewhere back there. Yeah.
Is this our guy or no?
Where?
Up here in this building.
At this point in the game, we were some of the last survivors on our team, as well as on the field. The ensuing firefight that happened took out most players on the field. There were a few members on each side waiting to either be tagged back in by their friendlies or tagged out by the enemies.
Friendly? Band or no band?
Hey,
No band, okay.
what are you?
He's no band.
No band? Alright, well I can't see. I'm blind. I'm also blind, but I'm clear. We wiped everybody.
No.
Are you sure?
Are you guys out or are you still in?
I think we wiped. I think me and you came up behind that guy.
No bands! No bands!
I don't know.
I think they're friendly firing each other.
Is he no band?
Do you guys have bands? No, they're no bands.
Are you guys friendly firing each other?
Oh no, he's a band.
You're a band?
I know it's taken a long time
We
to
got
get to the
people
point
running.
in this video, but one of the things
I don't
that I
know, we
want to
got people
stress when
running
you have a
towards
good
the-
plan, sometimes sticking to it, even if it's taking a long time, can be the best
Are you out
approach.
too?
Although we
people
did
over here.
miss a
Are these
massive
ours or no?
firefight,
What?
we were able to come behind
Huh?
and do what we were about to do.
Possibly.
Possibly. There's still guys.
Band. Band right in front of us. Band. Armband.
Yeah.
You got. How about this guy straight in front of me? Guys, we got two people straight in front of us.
I got you covered if you stay. These guys aren't friendly.
These guys right here. Two of them right here.
My BBs were landing nowhere close to those guys. I doubt they even knew that I was firing at them. They probably didn't know we were over here until the RPK opened up.
If that's the case, if you can't reach there. They're still trying to figure out if we're friendly or not.
You guys wearing armbands?
Is that your dad?
Yeah.
That's your dad. Yeah, those guys are.
Yeah, no, I know they aren't friendly.
Yeah, those guys are not friendly.
No! They are not!
Wait. Are you wearing an armband?
No, they got yellow armbands on. Field Marshal, are they bands or no bands? Guys,
Because there were so few
Guys.
players on the field, we definitely wanted to make sure we were firing at the right team.
they're not friendly. Come on, push up.
Oh yeah, those are our teammates. Those are definitely.
Huh?
No. Those are. I mean,
Yeah, those are.
wyverns. Those are enemies. Yep.
Yep, reloading. Oh, stupid mag pouches. Yep, I'm with you. behind this tree back here. Do you see him?
Got one.
Yeah, I know. Got him.
And with that, we were able to wipe out the final few players on the enemy team. After that, we ran around, tagged out most of the dead, tagged back in our friendlies, and won the game for our team.
Yeah, dude, we went all the way back to
In the
his
words
spawn.
of the immortal Hannibal Smith, I love it when a plan comes together. Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you have
How about him
enjoyed.
over there? We got people over here need tag.
If you liked the video, comment down below, like it, and subscribe for future updates. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time right here on Runner Airsoft.